Hello all. In the previous lesson, we have learned about simple and continuous. In this lesson, we are going to learn about perfect and perfect continuous tense. Perfect and perfect continuous. So here we have present, past and future, and even here we have present, past, future. Now this is perfect continuous. I can call this perfect as also perfect simple. Here, in perfect simple, coming to present tense is, first let me try to describe what a perfect tense is. First, let me try to describe what perfect is. Perfect means an action that is already completed. So in perfect aspect, we are going to discuss actions that are already completed. Well, in case if the action is already completed, then how does it have any connection with the present? Well, the fact here is, let us say that this is the timeline and this is present. So this perfect is, present perfect is something that has recently ended. I'll give you some examples of how a perfect simple sentence will look like. I have completed my homework. Or else it could be, I have just completed my homework. So if you can observe this particular sentence, it means that I have just now completed my homework, which means this action is already done. I have completed doing it. But when did it get complete? Just now. So it still is relevant to present. That is why we call it present perfect simple. Here the rule is, when you're talking about yourself, you would say have, I have. But for third person, which is he, she, it, or any singular, it will be has. And for we, you, they, or any plural, it will be have. So this is the rule. I have just completed my homework. She has just finished her homework. We have completed our homework. So here, the word have or has can come depending on who we are talking about. And the next comes past perfect simple. This is present perfect simple. Now past is something like this. So this is past perfect. So it is done and it is complete. It has nothing to do with the present. And here we write sentences like, I had graduated in the year 2006. I had graduated in the year 2006. Many a times when I ask a question about qualifications, a lot of people give me sentences like these. They say that I have finished my degree in 2001. Well, 2001 is very long ago. It is almost 17 years ago. So when you're talking about an event that is too old, you cannot use words like have. It should be had. Next comes future. I will have completed whatever you want to say that you will complete by so and so year, and this will be future. So here we are predicting an event that will have already completed in the future. I will have completed project. I will have completed my project by 2021. I will have graduated by 2021. So here we are trying to express what we would have already completed by so and so year. Next comes perfect continuous. Now, as you have learned from your previous lessons, in the continuous tense, we use ing form. And the same case even here. When we are talking about something perfect continuous, it means that when we are talking about present perfect continuous, it means that the event has somewhere started in the past, but it is still ongoing, which means it is still happening. I have been working for Wipro. I have been working for Wipro. So from this sentence we understand that I have started working for Wipro somewhere in the past and I am still continuing it. Coming to past, it will be something like this. I had been working as a test engineer at Infosys. So when you read this particular sentence, you need to understand that the event has started sometime in the past, went for a particular duration, but also is complete now. So this is past. So it started sometime in the past and also is completed in the past itself. To express that, we use something like had been working. So it is had been plus ing. And here it will be have been plus ing for, and here the rules are the same. For I, we, you, they or any plural, it will be have. And for he, she, it or any singular, it will be has. Coming to future, it will be the same for all. I will have been. Or it could be she will have been. He will have been. So here one important thing that you all have to remember is the difference between have and has. Many people cannot differentiate between when to use have and when to use has, and they mistake a lot here. So you have to be careful here. And another common mistake is wrong usage of have and had. When you're talking about an event that is already done, that is already finished, you cannot use have. It should be had. We use have only to talk about events that are recently finished. So here you need to specifically remember that it has to be a recent event. Whereas coming to past, this is not a recent event. We are talking about an event that is finished a while ago. And that's all for this video. I hope you have learned what perfect simple is and what perfect continuous is. Please keep practicing on perfect simple, perfect continuous, simple and continuous forms. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.